So guys, this is Euro USD weekly time frame. So we have CLT on the weekly time frame basically. So now let's dive in. So like I said earlier, when you're on the weekly time frame, you need to like it's from the weekly to 4 hours. Sorry, monthly to daily, weekly to 4 hours, the daily to 1 hour, the 4 hours to 15 minutes, 1 hour to 5 minutes, basically. So now we are on the weekly time frame. Now, so from the weekly time frame, this trade has triggered already. You understand? It has triggered already, but just for the video purpose. You understand? So I'm taking this to the 4 hours time frame. Yeah. So it's the 4 hours time frame. Yeah. So in the 4 hours time frame, I found my entry earlier. This is total sub entry, like head and shoulder entry. This entry. I'm coming. Sorry. So this head and shoulder here, this head and shoulder pattern, like so this stuff. So like it's the head, like it's the head. Sorry, it's the head here, it's the shoulders. These two are the shoulders. You understand? So that is the pattern I used to enter for the chart. Then secondly, there's I'm coming. There is there's an FVG there basically. I'm coming. Let me just tell you this stuff. There's an FVG there basically. So this was my entry. So there's an FVG here. This place here, which it triggered already. So this thing is so there's an FVG here for the ICT traders. So it tapped the FVG also, but it's the head and shoulder basically for precise sniper entry. So it's the FVG on 4 hours. You understand? So basically, if you want to join, like if you want to continue the entry on Monday, basically, I might advise using this. So you might want to re-enter from that place, meaning you might want to re-enter from here. It will be a very tight entry though, so you might want to re-enter from here basically. You understand?
Yes.
So that is that for Euro USD basically. Then for BTC, yeah, I was analyzing this earlier. For BTC, we have an FVG here basically. So then before that, if you go to the daily time frame, I guess I think we have a little CLT here. So part of the rule of CLT is 50%. You understand? So basically, market have taken 50% already from here. It has taken 50%, but this is our target basically. This is our target basically. But market can still go back to the upside, but we must look for a better entry. So I think, sorry, excuse me, going to the 1 hour time frame is the way. So this 1 hour time frame, you have an FVG here. So we're expecting market to make a move downward, then clear here. Yeah, that's what we're looking for on BTC basically. So if we go down to the 5 minute time frame, we should be looking for a sell entry to the downside basically. You understand? We should be looking for a sell entry to the downside. So for that, I usually use two stuffs, which is I usually mark out the key zones there. then sorry for that. So yeah. So for the sale, I might use this for the sale. So yeah, I might use this for the sale. I don't know how long this sale is going to be, but yeah, I'll be using that for the sale, and I'll target here first. So I'll be targeting here for the sale. Yeah, I'll be targeting here for the sale basically. So that's what we have on BTC. I'll be targeting that side on BTC basically. So yeah, that's all we have on on BTC at the moment. Yeah. So that's all we have on BTC at the moment.